To a computer, every word is just a number. So how does an AI know that cat and dog belong together while cat and Tuesday don't? The answer turns language into geometry and meaning into actual math. Remember, your text gets split into tokens, and each token is just an ID number. But that number is only a name tag. It carries no meaning on its own. So, where does meaning actually come from? Here's the trick. Instead of one ID, give every word a whole list of numbers and read that list as coordinates. Each word becomes a point in space. That list is called an embedding, and where the point lands captures what the word means. Do this for every word, and a map appears. Similar meanings drift together into neighborhoods. Animals in one region, cities in another, royalty in their own corner. Nothing told the model these groups exist. It discovered them purely from how words are used. On this map, closeness means similarity. And because words are now points, you can do arithmetic on meaning. Take king, subtract man, add woman, and you land right next to queen. The model never learned that rule. The geometry just works out that way. And it's not a fluke. The same move works everywhere. Paris minus France plus Italy gives you Rome. Walking is to walk, as swimming is to swim. Relationships between words become directions you can travel. This also flips search on its head. Ask a question, and the model turns it into a point, then simply grabs the nearest neighbors. You're no longer matching keywords. You're finding things by meaning. And that one idea quietly powers a huge amount of AI. Semantic search, which finds answers even when the words don't match. Recommendations, which surface the next thing you'll like. Retrieval, which gives a chatbot memory by looking up relevant facts. And clustering, which organizes millions of documents on its own. One catch, our map was flat, just two directions. A real embedding has hundreds, even thousands of numbers. Thousands of invisible axes, each capturing some subtle shade of meaning we could never draw. So, to recap, every word becomes a list of numbers, a point in space. Similar meanings end up close together. Relationships become directions, so meaning turns into math. And that one idea quietly powers search, memory, and recommendations. So an AI doesn't really read words. It navigates a map of meaning. If that reframed things for you, subscribe. That's one concept at a time, here on Superintelligence.